Imagine someone hands you a treasure map, but with no legend, and you have no idea what the symbols mean. That's exactly how most people use indicators. They're on the screen, they show something, but what exactly, nobody knows. I trade with 4 indicators every single day: Bollinger Band, ADX, RSI, and Stochastic Oscillator. And each one is a separate layer of information about the market. Together, they give you a picture where it's impossible to doubt. And today, I'm not just going to show you the settings, I'm going to show you the logic, why each indicator is here, what it does, and at what moment its signal becomes the main factor. There will be 4 trades, one of them intentionally in a questionable setup. Because you know guys, knowing where not to enter is more important than knowing where to enter. So stay until the end because the last trade takes the balance to a very satisfying number. By the way, everyone watching this video can work with me completely for free. On my Telegram channel, I trade every day and share all my actions in real time, live signals, trade breakdowns, Q&A. Right now, I'm only taking 10 people, guys, and not because spots are limited, but because I want to give each person real attention. The link is in the description, click it, join the channel and send me Teach Me. And we'll try to make $100 to $200 in profit together in the very first week. Let's set everything up. Follow me step by step. This matters. Chart type candles, time frame 1 minute, and fast candles help you see price changes before they become really obvious. And let's open the indicators section and add 4 of the indicators: Bollinger Band, ADX, RSI, and Stochastic Oscillator. Start with the Bollinger Band, guys. Period will be 10, deviation 1. This widens the indicator's working zone. In the style settings, disable the middle line. Upper band will be green, lower band red, and background color will be white. Now ADX. ADX smoothing will be 8, DI length 8 as well, and leave the ADX line color as default. Plus DI will be green and minus DI red. RSI. Reduce the period to 4. This makes the indicator react faster to price movement. Disable level 50. We don't need it in here. Indicator line will be bright yellow, so it stands out immediately. Level 70 is green. Level 30 is red. And Stochastic Oscillator. K period is 7 and leave everything else unchanged. K and D line colors stay default. Level 80 will be green and level 20 will be red. And that's it. We now have 4 filters. Bollinger Band shows price movement boundaries. ADX identifies trend strength and trend changes. RSI tracks overbought and oversold conditions. And Stochastic confirms or challenges everything else. When all 4 say the same thing, that's the signal, guys. Remember how this looks. So now it's time to start it. Found the first setup quickly, open in a sell trade, amount is $100 and time 1 minute. And while the trade runs, let's break it down layer by layer. Bollinger Bands. Before this, the price was building above the indicator zone, the market was overheated by the uptrend. Then the trend ended, price started dropping and broke through the lower red boundary. This is the primary signal, the first and the most important one. Next goes ADX. When the uptrend was in a play, the indicator lines were diverging, the trend was strong. And then they crossed, the trend change confirmed. RSI. The indicator line was above level 70 during the rise, and when the price started falling, the line followed and crossed level 30. And there it is, the RSI signal. And finally, Stochastic. The lines are also pointing down and cross level 20. The last filter is cleared. The setup is fully formed. All 4 indicators point to a drop, and I only open the trade in this kind of situation. At first glance, the structure looks complex, 4 indicators, multiple levels, a lot of details. But after a few sessions, you'll start seeing the signals intuitively, almost automatically, guys. Great, guys! The first trade closed in profit. So now my balance grew to $292. Excellent start, so of course we keep on working. And now I'm going to show you exactly the mistake that causes most people to lose their money. I'll open a trade deliberately in a bad setup. Putting in $10, no more. Opening a trade to raise the price. And here's what I see. Bollinger Bands. Price crossed the upper green boundary. Buy signal is there. ADX. Lines crossed. Trend change registered. 2 out of 4. But guys, RSI hasn't reached level 70. Stochastic oscillator hasn't climbed above 80. Both of them are silent. This strategy really has one strict rule. All 4 indicators must give a signal. Not 2, not 3, all 4 of them. Otherwise, you're just waiting. Well, yes, it can feel frustrating to miss a move, but opening a trade without full confirmation isn't trading, it's gambling, and actually, we're not here for this. And one more thing, choose currency pairs where trend change in a stable, predictable way, without sharp chaotic spikes. You'll see fewer setups, but each one will be reliable. Exactly as expected, guys. Price dropped minus $10, but now you've seen that mistake with your own eyes, and hopefully you will not repeat that in your real trading. Now this is the right kind of setup. Opening the trade will be to increase the price and the amount will be to $100. So look, everything is just in here. Price broke through Bollinger Band's upper boundary, ADX shows lines crossing, RSI crossed level 70, and stochastic is above 80. All 4 gave a signal at the same time, and this is exactly what we're looking for. And here's an important thought, guys. Many people start trading and immediately want to open trades every few minutes. I surely understand that impulse. You want to act, you want to earn, but the best trader is not the one who trades the most, it's the one who knows how to wait for the right moment. Trust me, 3 quality signals a day will make you more than 20 rushed ones. Patience is a strategy too. And bingo, guys! Price went up and now my balance is $466. The second trade's loss more than covered, you know. So now I'm looking for the last setup for today. So here's the last trade of the session. Uptrend again. All 4 indicators gave the signal. Clear setup, no doubts. Opening a buy trade. And we're waiting for the result. And boom, guys, the last trade is in profit as well. And now my balance is $894. Well, we started with $100, 4 trades, one of them an intentional loss, and still the final result is almost 10 times the starting amount. And you know, that's what trading by a system looks like, not by the feelings. So today we broke down 4 indicator strategy. Bollinger Bands, the signal, ADX, trend change confirmation, RSI stochastic, the final check. 3 main rules to remember, guys. So first, only when all 4 indicators align. Second, don't rush. Waiting for the right signal is a part of a strategy as well. And the third, start on the demo account until the signals start reading automatically. And if anything was not clear, rewatch the video or message me on the Telegram and we'll figure it out together with you. And drop a comment which of 4 indicators you have used before. And of course, we'll see you in the next videos.